In this tutorial, we are going to learn about exceptions and errors in Python. These are important concepts in any programming language, and understanding them is crucial to writing robust, error-free code. So, what is an error? An error is a problem in your program that prevents it from running correctly. This could be due to a syntax error, where you've written something the Python interpreter doesn't understand, or a logical error, where your code doesn't behave as you expected. In the above code, we forgot to close the string with a quote. This is a syntax error, and Python will point it out to us when we try to run the code. Now, let's move on to exceptions. An exception is an event that occurs during the execution of a program that disrupts the normal flow of the program's instructions. In Python, exceptions are triggered automatically on errors, and they can also be triggered and intercepted by your code. Let's look at an example of an exception. Suppose we try to open a file that doesn't exist. In the above code, we are trying to open a file that doesn't exist. Python raises an exception when it can't find the file, but we've used a try/except block to catch the exception and print out a friendly error message instead of terminating the program. So, to summarize, exceptions and errors are disruptions in the normal flow of a program. Errors are usually syntax or logical mistakes in your code that prevent it from running. Exceptions are events that occur during execution that disrupt the normal flow of the program, but they can be caught and handled by your code to prevent the program from terminating. Understanding errors and exceptions is a big step towards becoming a proficient Python programmer. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and remember, don't be afraid of errors and exceptions, they're just opportunities to learn and grow as a programmer. Happy coding, everyone!